Most people think crypto is complicated. Charts, wallets, private keys, volatility. It looks overwhelming from the outside. But what if it's actually simpler than it seems? Crypto feels complex because it's new. And anything new feels risky at first. When people hear about hacks or market crashes, they assume the whole system is unsafe or impossible to understand. But at its core, crypto is just digital ownership. Instead of a bank holding your money, you hold it. Instead of paperwork, there's blockchain technology verifying transactions. It's different, but not impossible. You don't need to know everything on day one. Start with the basics. What is a wallet? What is a private key? What makes blockchain secure? One concept at a time. And suddenly it becomes manageable. When you understand how protection works. From private keys to secure exchanges. Confidence replaces confusion. Knowledge turns complexity into clarity. Crypto doesn't require genius-level intelligence. It requires patience, discipline, and continuous learning. The people who succeed are the ones who stay consistent, not the ones who chase hype. And every major innovation once felt complicated. The internet, online banking, mobile payments. At first, people hesitated. Over time, understanding replaced doubt. Crypto is going through that same phase. The ones who take time to learn today are simply preparing for tomorrow. You don't need to rush. You don't need to risk everything. Start small, learn consistently, ask questions, build confidence through knowledge, not hype. The future of finance isn't about complexity. It's about access, and access begins with understanding how the system works and how you fit into it. Crypto isn't reserved for experts or insiders. It's for anyone willing to learn, think critically, and take responsibility for their financial decisions. Start where you are, learn one concept today, improve one habit tomorrow. Over time, small steps compound into real confidence. Markets will rise, markets will fall, headlines will change, but knowledge stays with you. The people who succeed in crypto aren't the loudest. They aren't the ones chasing every trend. They're the ones building quietly, understanding security, managing risk, and thinking long-term. They understand that volatility is part of growth. They don't panic at every drop or celebrate every spike. They focus on fundamentals, on protection, on strategy. Because in crypto, knowledge isn't just power. It's protection. The more you understand wallets, keys, exchanges, and risk management, the less intimidating the space becomes. Crypto doesn't reward impulse. It rewards preparation. And preparation starts with education.